Now, one of the most popular questions that we get about our curved needle is that the hole in the needle is too large for my liking. This is one of the easiest things for us to make a change to. So here you have one of the needles as it comes, and here you see it's a fairly large hole. And if I want it to be a bit smaller, it's very, very easy to do. So the first thing I need like a nice solid surface. I'm using a desk here. You can also, of course, just use the concrete outside of your home, something that's not going to break or chip. And then you're going to put your needle down on the surface and you're going to hold it in place. Now you want to get any tool or item. You can use a hammer. I have a hairbrush handy, a Locsanity hairbrush. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the hairbrush. And what you're going to do is you're going to gently tap it. Check to see if the size has changed to your liking. Flip it over and just continue tapping. Check to see, and you'll see as the more I tap on it, the smaller the hole is getting. So here you'll see the hole has actually gotten quite small, and this is the width that I would need if I was doing like very, very small Microlocks or perhaps even Sisterlocks. You'll see that the hole has actually gotten significantly smaller than what it started out as. Now, in the event that the hole is now too small for you, you can of course use some pliers or something, a tool of that sort, and just open it back up, and there it is, back at its original width. So I hope this answers any of the questions. If you have any other questions, please go ahead and drop me a line. I'll be more than happy to help you. Love you. Mwah.